Hello, welcome back my experience live channel today. I am Mr. Dave. I'm from Vietnam. Today I will give you some tutorials of making a bonsai handmade from aluminum wire. Okay, the last video I show you how to bend, how to twist a tree and some branches like this. And today I want to show you how to make the roots and how to install the tree in something to decorate the complete product. Thank you so much, and I hope you will like my video. It's okay. And this is a bust of roots. I do have something like this, and you should divide the small pieces. Okay, and you divide twice, a smaller pieces, and you twist this to the end. Okay, and like this. The twist is divide into two. Twist is a smaller. Okay, and my voice is not good. I think that it's too loud. It's not sweetened, and I think you will like my video because my good looking experience. Okay, thank you so much. I think I am not bad. Yeah. Okay. And then you can twist it for smaller pieces so that you can make it more roots for the tree. After that, you can put it on something like this. I have a plate. Yes, I have something like this, a base. A plate, a ceramic plate, like this. Sometimes I can use a stand like this. Okay, and you put it on the stand. Yes, put it on the stand like this. And you bend the roots to make it look so naturally. You bend the roots and you can stick the roots on the stone like this. So it looks very natural. Okay, and you can bend the tree whatever you like this. Now it's look so very natural. I think that, and you can use glue or cement, and you can install firmly on this top. But sometimes you can use a piece of wood to make it stand firmly. Okay, and then you can keep it longer. Thank you. And like this. And sometimes you need something to cover the roots. And you can decorate with the small green grass, some small flowers, plastic flower, and so it look very beautiful. Yes, it install the roof, but I don't do it right now. Now I want to show you. Maybe you can install on the base. You can install it on the base like this. It's very beautiful. Yes. Okay. And now I'll show you how to install the leaves on the branches. Okay. And now you twist in smaller and smaller pieces. So you have something like this. Have something like this. And you can bend it so it looks very natural. Yes. Divide it in smaller pieces. Thank you. I think you will like my video. Thank you so much. So I wish you will see more and more my video for more my experience in my life. Yeah, okay. You do like this. You do like this. If I see it into small pieces, you can make more and more branches on this branch. Okay, maybe two or four wide. Yes, like this. It's so nice. Yeah. Okay. Maybe you can keep it firmly on something, some heavy things to make the branch very easy. Yes. And now I show you how to install the leaves. And the last video I show you how to make the leaves like this. How to make the leaves like this. You can make it very fast if you spend more time to practice like this. And you have something like this. It's a pair of leaves. And you get it on the tree. Install it. You can install the leaves on the branches like this. Okay. Put it here and you twist this like this. And notice it's installed in the branch very firmly. It's not easily fall out. Yeah, thank you. Like this. Something you can cut this piece out. Now I install the color green color. Yes. Like this. Put it here. Twist this. Okay. Now, like this. Now I love the green color, bright green. The bright green. It's very easy. Yeah, nice. You have 3 pair of leaves here. You should keep it firmly on something like this. I I am a teacher, English teacher for about nearly 30 years. 30 years. But I have no chance to meet any foreigner at my place. It's very sadly because I have no chance to meet a foreigner in my place. So I have no time to practice speaking English. Just only the same stairs for nearly 30 years with some children. So that's my speaking is not good. My voice is not good. But I think you will like my video. Okay? I think I have independence enough, but I have not much chance to see a foreigner. I wish there were foreigners who teach in my school with me so that I have more time to practice speaking, listening, and I will have more improvement. Thank you. And then you can continue doing like this until it's completely a good branch here. Like this. Now, you continue to do the same. You continue to do the same. I think in one branch is the must use the same color. It's not mix more and more color in the same branch or the same trees. Just only one color. Yes, like this. At the end, you can cut these pieces out. Now it is the way to install the leaves on the branch to finish this tree, and you can bend it as you like. Okay, and continue do it like this. Yes. Okay. Goodbye. See you next video. I will show you how to install the curved tree on something to decorate around the trees. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Like you.